November 1943. The Atlantic was endless, cold, and merciless.
Intelligence warned of German submarines hunting in the Atlantic night.
Beneath the waves, their enemy waited.
Jack Miller was young, eager, and still carried the innocence of boyhood into war. I just don't understand why we must fight this war.
Don't be such a pessimist.
The destroyer's sonar pulsed, each echo carrying the shadows of an unseen threat.
Every flare revealed both the sea's fury and the dread of what lay hidden.
General quarters! Battle stations!
Captain Charles Hutchins sounded the alarm. The ship braced for combat.
The destroyer braced itself, every man at his station for the fight ahead.
Contact confirmed. The German submarine was closing fast.
The destroyer unleashed its fury, depth charges tumbling into the depths.
The destroyer's guns thundered, lashing out across the black Atlantic. From the submarine's deck, German sailors fought back with desperate fury.
The destroyer lunged through the storm, a steel beast aimed at its prey. The destroyer lunged through the storm, a steel beast aimed at its prey.
Steel slammed against steel. In the storm's fury, the two warships became locked in deadly embrace.
Across the storm and smoke, two young sailors hesitated, mirrors of fear, innocence, and war.
Below decks, the destroyer was breaking apart, the sea flooding into its heart.
We're flooding!
The German submarine faltered, steel flooding, its crew cast into the black Atlantic.
Out of the wreckage, a fragile raft appeared, its survivors raising hands in surrender.
Captain Charles Hutchins wavered, his resolve softening at the sight of helpless men.
Prepare to pick them up. Get ropes over the side.
Then it came.
New contact, bearing 210.
The radar told the truth. Another submarine stalked them in the storm.
Belay rescue. Hard starboard. Break clear!
Faced with choice, he turned from mercy, choosing survival over rescue.
The destroyer turned away, leaving the enemy adrift. Cries of surrender lost to the storm.
The destroyer itself was breaking apart, the sea forcing its way into every seam.
Below decks, the officers knew the truth. The ship was doomed.
The order had not yet come, but the sailors already knew they would not remain aboard.
Abandon ship!
Voiceover: Captain Charles Hutchins gave the order. The destroyer was lost.
Into the storm they leaped, cast adrift on a merciless sea. Jack Miller clung to life, a boy cast into manhood by the sea.
Captain Charles Hutchins watched in silence as his ship was claimed by the sea. The sea bore no allegiance. It claimed sailors from both sides alike. At dawn, Allied aircraft appeared above the drifting survivors. The destroyer's end came not by the enemy, but by the hands of her own.
The Atlantic closed over the USS Borie, her bones consigned to the deep.
Jack Miller lived to see the sun rise, but it rose on a world forever changed.
In the end, the ocean took us all. Allies, enemies, brothers.